First things first, wrap each Oreo cookie with a slice of bacon. Make sure to secure the bacon with a toothpick so it doesn't unravel during frying. Next, prepare your pancake batter. Whether you're using a store-bought mix or a secret family recipe, the end result should be a smooth, thick batter ready to coat the Oreos. Now, it's time to heat up the oil. Pour about 2 to 3 inches of oil into a deep fryer or a large heavy-bottomed pot and heat it to 375 degrees. Dip each bacon-wrapped Oreo into the pancake batter, ensuring it's completely covered. Then carefully place it in the hot oil. Fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the batter turns golden and crispy. You'll know it's done when it looks like a miniature golden planet with a bacon ring. After frying, remove the Oreos from the oil and let them drain on a paper towel. Don't forget to remove the toothpicks before serving. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.